Hi everyone, Sandra again, and I have a great recipe for you. These are lemons that my friend Rachel Clark 2 doors down gave me the other day. They are humongous. And I just made a batch of lemon drop martinis for my husband and sons to devour in the jacuzzi tonight because they did a great job of cleaning out our garage while I was at work. There's our sugar bowl for the sugar rimmed glasses. So anyway, limoncello is what I'm making because I have this giant thing of vodka here, and I had these lemons. So here's how you make limoncello. You take a lemon. Now I'm going to do this on this. I'm going to hold this right here and see if you can see that because it's, yeah, because hold on. Let me see if I can get this up a little higher. There we go. I only have one hand, so I have two hands. So I'm going to do it on this because I'm not going to use this part, but I like these little Xylus peelers, and you just peel just the very top of the peel. Let me just peel that off, and I'm going to show you the back end of it. Do you see how where did I go here? Where do I go? Oh, there we go. Do you see how there's no white on there whatsoever? Now, I'm not going to use this part, obviously, because of that. So I skipped that part. So you just peel the skin off of these. Look how thin. There is no white on that peel at all. And these peelers are like a couple of bucks on Amazon, and I love them. You get 3 of them. There's just a little metal. It's very thin. They're from Sweden. They're just, I love them. I had 20 of those at the restaurant when I had it. So you just take that and you just peel, of course with 2 hands, the very top part, just the yellow part. And then I put all these lemons in a really big jar. This is a 2-quart jar, I think. And then I poured almost all of this vodka in there. And that's it. That is the first part of limoncello. So you steep the lemon peel in this jar for 40 days. You can do it, you can drink it in 10, but 40 days is the way they do it in Sorrento. So 40 days is the day we do it in the Shaver household. At the end of 40 days, I'm going to drain all of the beautiful liquid out of here, and I'm going to throw the peel away or use it in compost or put it down my garbage disposal, whatever floats your boat. It has done its job. And then I'm going to make a simple syrup, which is 1 cup of sugar dissolved in 1 cup of warm water. You don't have to boil it. Don't listen to people. Just dissolve the sugar and water together. Then I'm going to pour this into a pretty jar, maybe halfway, and I'm going to add the simple syrup, which is the water-sugar mixture, to the lemon juice, or to the lemon peel water without the lemon peels, to the vodka. And taste it, unfortunately, rough job, but someone has to do it, and taste it until it is the sweetness that I like. Some people like a very thick and syrupy limoncello, and that's fine. I like mine a little bit more lemony, a little bit less sweet. So, but I add a ½ cup to start. So I would fill the limoncello, the vodka lemon to here. And then I would just start adding maybe a ½ cup of the sugar water, stir it around, taste it by the teaspoon, keep adding the sugar water, and then you're done. Put the lid on it, you can stick it in the freezer, and it won't freeze. It'll just stay icy cold. So tonight I made lemon drop martinis. So I had some limoncello that we already used up. I put that into a pitcher. I added about 1 ounce of triple sec, and some sudsy water, which we make our own. We have the soda stream. So I made some soda water or mineral water, or what do you call that? Yeah, like Pellegrino, but we made it ourselves. And some more sugar, mix that all around, put some ice on there. Oh, and then I juiced 2 giant lemons. And I put all that lemon juice in with the limoncello, oh my gosh, it was so good, it's dangerous. I didn't have any tonight. I don't want to sleep like within a ½ an hour. So that's all limoncello is. Lemon, peel, vodka, 40 days. After that, You take out the lemon peel and you throw it away. What you have left is the lemon vodka. And then you add sugar water to it, to the desire or to the sweetness that you desire. And you have made limoncello. I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I will try and answer them for you. And Rachel, thank you so much for these lemons. I'm going to juice them all in the morning and save the juice for adding to lemon drop martinis. Ciao.